To do a double crochet, you're going to start off by doing a slip knot. If you need a reminder on how to do slip knots and chain stitches, please go back to my previous videos. Here I'm going to just do a quick chain stitch on, I'm going to just do 10 chains here. I've got 4, 5, 6, 10. Got 10 chains right here. Next I am going to chain an additional 3. 1, 2, 3. From here you're going to go yarn over, so the yarn's going to go over your hook, and then in the 4th chain from your hook, so you're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. In the 4th chain from your hook, you're going to take your hook and go in the middle of that chain. Gonna push through and use that hook to grab that yarn and bring it back through. So now you have 3 loops on your crochet hook or the shaft. You're going to go yarn over. I twist it down so I can pull through the first 2 loops. Like that. Now we have 2 loops left. Once again, you're going to go yarn over, twist, and pull through. One more time, nice and slow. We're going to go yarn over, and in the next chain, you're going to put your crochet hook through in the middle of the chain. Take your hook, grab the yarn, and pull it through. So now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, twist, and pull through 2. Now you have 2 loops. Again, yarn over, twist, and pull through. And I'm going to do it one more time. I'm going to go yarn over, through the chain stitch, grab the yarn and pull it through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. If you need to pause the video and try it for yourself, please do so. I'm going to keep on going all the way across. Alright, you have completed row 1 of double crochet. From here, you're going to chain 3. 1. Sorry, I'm losing tension. 2, 3. You're going to turn your work. So this is the right side. This is the wrong side. And from here, once again, you're going to do yarn over. Remember the V from the last video with the single crochet, there's the V stitches. And you're going to double crochet into this little hole right here, right above the stitch that you just made. Going to push it through. You're going to grab the yarn and pull it through. And now you have 3 loops. Going to go yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. I'm going to do that again. Yarn over, into the next stitch, push through, grab the yarn and pull it through. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And you just keep on going until the end. And there you go. I'm gonna let you in on a little secret from what I do. Because I tend to chain loosely. See how there's these like little random loops at the end of the rows? Because I tend to chain loosely, I usually cut one chain stitch out. Traditionally, it is taught with the chain 3. For my personal preference and because I know how I crochet, I always chain 2 instead of chaining 3. Let me show you. So I'm gonna, instead of chain 3, I'm gonna chain 2. So 1, 2, turn my work, and then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to pull some more yarn out. I'm going to do the same thing like I did the last 2 rows. You're going to go yarn over and into this little hole right here. You're going to push the hook through, grab the yarn and pull it through the hole. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Once again, yarn over, push through the hole. Grab the yarn and pull it through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and just keep on going until the end. And there you go. And as you can see, sorry, I'm a little high on the camera. As you can see with the chain 2, it kind of closes it up just a little bit. It makes it look like a double crochet. It looks a little tighter for, like, especially for me because of the fact that I know I am loose on my chains. You can see there's these loops, like it's just a floppy loop on each end. And so traditionally, the chain 3 is correct. That is how it is taught traditionally. But because it's me and I know how I crochet and how I am always tight or loose, and I know where I'm tight and where I'm loose, I do the chain 2 with the double crochet, and that's my personal preference. But yeah, so now you know. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask them in the comments. Be sure to hit the subscription button and get notified when my next video comes out. But until then, happy crafting!